Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A21s, and let me show you how to personalize text-to-speech feature. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select General Management, and here go to Language and Input. Now select text-to-speech right here, and as you can see at first you can change the language. So you can either use system language or you can pick one from the following list. So if you'd like to use it in French, we can pick French. And now let's check how default setup works. Just click on play. Okay, I will just have to volume up my device and now you'll be able to listen to it. Then you can change pitch. And also let me change the pitch again, and also the speed. Just pick whichever option you prefer. I will go with some slower version of the speech rate, and also pitch can be like in the middle. And that's it. Obviously you can change language whenever you want to, so if you would like to have it in system language,
this is an example of speech synthesis in English.
It will work this way. And that would be all, so you can personalize it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.